Hi, I'm the herb guy. Let's make some pine needle tea. We're going to make some pine needle tea. Now what I've done is I've gone ahead and taken a bit of spruce. We're going to go ahead and get rid of the leaf though. Might not necessarily add too much to the tea. We have a bit of spruce here, and I'm going to go grab some of another kind of pine. If you trim any of these leaves off of these trees, they won't grow back and they won't compensate. Once it's gone, it's gone. So make sure it's an old tree. Oftentimes I will simply wait for a windstorm and then pick up the limbs that are on the ground, because that is the easiest on the tree. We also have pine here, which I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit. Just taking one bit off. So I have some pine and I have some spruce. Let's go turn it into some tea. What do you think? Now that we've harvested the limbs, we bring them in, take them and chop them up fairly fine. See how small that is? I have about a half a teaspoon here, give or take. That's a measuring teaspoon. That'll work for a cup of coffee or for a cup of tea. See where my mind is. Put it in a nice, cute, heart-shaped tea strainer, like so. Now, if you want to keep these from falling to the bottom, they have a hook on them, so you can hook it on there, so that way the chain does not fall to the bottom. You add your hot water. Now, because these are pine needles, 3 to 5 minutes is not going to be enough because they are harder. So you want to do anywhere from 6 to 10 minutes in order to get that to really come out. It may not necessarily turn green. You know, pine is a little funny that way. However, you will definitely tell that there's pine in it. So we're going to let that set for a little bit, and we'll come back and we'll enjoy our tea. Tasty tea. Thanks for watching. Bye.